pharmacist Okan Wongobel, a pharmacy with Jiba Pyramid Pharmaceuticals. I am here to talk about Cardifen. Cardifen is an excellent cough expectorant containing many active pharmaceutical ingredients. I would like to talk about one of its pharmaceutical ingredients that I find very interesting: guaifenesin. Guaifenesin is an expectorant. It works by thinning and loosening mucus in the airway, clearing congestion and making breathing easier.